Hello students, welcome all of you. Today we are going to start topic number 2, utility analysis. In this topic, last lecture we have already studied introduction, features of utility, types of utility, concepts, total utility and marginal utility, relationship between total utility and marginal utility, and the law of diminishing marginal utility. Now today we are going to start next concept in this topic, the relationship between marginal utility and price. Let us discuss the relationship between marginal utility and price in order to understand how the law of diminishing marginal utility forms the basis law of demand. It is a perfect example of practical application of the law of diminishing marginal utility, DMU. So to understand the relation is essential to convert marginal utility in terms of money so that it can be compared with market price. Let us assume that number 1, a 1 unit of marginal utility is equal to 10. Listen once again. 1 unit of marginal utility is equal to 10, and second, market price per unit of X is equal to 50 rupees. So marginal utility and price relationship will be studied the next schedule. So when you study the schedule, then you are clear. First column number of units, second column marginal utility units of X, third column marginal utility in terms of money, 1 unit is equal to rupees 10, third market price oblique unit of X commodity rupees 50, and fifth column comparison between marginal utility and price. So units of commodity consumed 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then marginal utility of X unit, number 1 unit 10, 7, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1 means here number of units 1 to 6. When consumed a marginal utility also decline every or extra units. So here 8, 7, 5, 3 means when consumed a first unit, then second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, marginal utility also decline every extra unit. So then here marginal utility in terms of money, 1 unit is equal to how many rupees? 10 rupees. 1 unit is equal to 10 rupees. So marginal utility of 1 or X commodity 10, then 10 into rupees 10. When consumed a first unit of commodity, marginal utility 10, so 10 into rupees 10, answer 100. Then second, when consumed a second unit, marginal utility 8 into rupees 10, answer 80. Then next 7 into rupees 10, 70, 5 into rupees 10, 50, 3 into rupees 10, 30, and 1 into rupees 10, answer 10. So marginal utility in terms once again 100, 80, 70, 50, 30 and 10. Then market price also X rupees 50 constant. 50 also constant. So here rupees 50 first column to last column same, because one X commodity or market price unit of X is equal to 50 rupees constant. So when you study the schedule, then you are clear. The table shows that a consumer starts buying unit of commodity X for his consumption. Unit of X commodity for his consumption. Once after the other, means one by one commodity, then second, then third. So marginal utility which is added, his stock goes on diminishing. His stock goes on diminishing with every further unit consumed. When marginal utility is converted in terms of money, marginal utility is converted in terms of money, one can easily compare it with market price, which is shown in the column number 5th. Column number 5th means marginal utility MU. Here column number 3 means 100 marginal utility and market price how many rupees? 50. So MU means 100 MU is greater than rupees 50. Then second, 80 marginal utility greater than rupees 50. Third, 70 marginal utility greater than 50. So when consumer consumed first X commodity, second X commodity, third X commodity, marginal utility is greater than market price. Marginal utility is greater than market price, because here consumer have extra benefits, because expenditure only 50 rupees and marginal utility extra 100, 80, 70. Then number 4th column, we now observe marginal utility 50 and market price rupees 50. Here marginal utility and market price equilibrium or equal. So again, when consumer equal means marginal utility 50 and expenditure rupees 50. When consumer consumed number 5th unit, marginal utility 30 and market price rupees how many? 50 rupees expenditure. So marginal utility is less than market price. Marginal utility is less than market price means 30 marginal utility is less than rupees 50. And again when consumer consumed 10th means 6th unit, 10 marginal utility and rupees 50. So 10 MU is less than rupees 50 means market price rupees 50. So when you study the schedule, then are clear relationship between marginal utility and price. So the consumer can also think of buying 4th unit. In case of 5th and 6th unit, marginal utility derived is less than market price paid. A rational consumer, very important, a rational consumer will not buy further once the equality between marginal utility and price is established. So it can be explained. Next point, number 1, units which a consumer willingly buys because marginal utility is greater than price is called intra marginal units, because marginal utility X is greater than price, market price Px. So first conclusion is, listen once again, a consumer willingly buys because marginal utility is greater than price. are called intra marginal units, means extra benefits. Second, unit of or unit at which marginal utility becomes equal with market price is a marginal unit, in bracket marginal unit x is equal to price x. So here consumers equilibrium. And third point, units which a rational consumer is not willing to buy and consume, where he has to pay more than the marginal utility, are called extra marginal units. In bracket marginal utility x is less than px. So here the relationship between marginal utility and price also very important. Thus a rational consumer attains equilibrium where marginal utility x is equal to price x. This relationship between marginal utility and price paved away for law of demand. So consumers behavior, every consumer try to maximum satisfaction, because the relationship between marginal utility and price also very important to study in our daily life. So here relationship between marginal utility and price also completed. Students, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Then my next video notification available for you. Thank you.